Good day everyone, you all are welcome to another episode of my AutoCAD tutorial. I'll be putting you guys through on how to create floor plans with Polylines. Okay, starting from where we stopped last week, we created layers. I showed you guys around the working area of AutoCAD. So we'll be going straight to creating floor plans with Polylines. But before you do that, you make sure that your layer is set to wall. In order to check that, you just type in LE and then the layer pops up, and then strike your enter or spacebar. Okay, our current layer is wall, so we are good to go. So the command for polyline is pline, as in PLINE. Once you type that, you strike in the spacebar or enter. Once you do that, we've already set our limit in units, so you have your drawing area to yourself. So you could just go. Okay, you can see that our auto snap is not toggled on, so you could come down here and toggle it on, or you could use the F8 command to enter or drop the command. So to enter our auto snap, we strike the F8 key. So as you can see, the auto snap is on. Then you could draw the shape of your floor plan. Mine goes like this: 1500, enter, then we go 4200, enter, then we go another 1500, enter, and then we go 3600, enter, and we go 3600, and we go 1030, and we go 1500, and we go 1030, and we go 4200, and we go 3600, and we go 1500, and we go 4200, and then in AutoCAD, once you're done drawing an enclosed shape, you could just type in the C as in close, then you strike in the spacebar, enter, and then it closes whatever you've done. Okay, so I drew my wall. This is my inside wall. So if you're taking an in to in dimension, this is the dimension of my floor plan. So in order to get the thickness of the wall, we offset this by 230. 230 is the thickness of the wall I'll be using, so you could use whatever you wish to use. So this is our shape. We want to offset our wall thickness. In order to do that, you just come here to your ribbon, you could see offset, you select it, or you type in escape to drop the command, or you type in OFSET, so the offset pops out, and then you strike your spacebar, enter. It is asking you to specify offset distance. My offset distance is 230. That is the thickness of the wall I'll be using, so you could use whatever you wish to use. When you strike in enter or spacebar, then you select your object and then offset outwards. As you can see, we have our wall with the required thickness. Now we have to position our windows and all of that. In order to do that, you come here, select your line. Okay, I want my window position at the center of the space, so I'm just going to draw a line, then offset through 600. So thickness of my, as the length of my window is 600. So once you do this, you've created a space for your window. You come here, use a line, offset, can offset through 1 meter, that is 1000 millimeter, space bar. Then you select your offset again. My window thickness is 1200. Enter. Okay, here we have a toilet, so I want to position the window in the middle. So I offset through 300. The length of my window is 600. So you offset this direction, you offset this direction. Okay, here we just have one window. So you draw your line, you offset through 450. Enter. In order to enter a command you just finished, you could strike in your space bar. It takes us back to offset again. And the offset distance for the length of my window is 900. Space bar. Okay, I have to create an opening for my door. So offset through 1200, and we offset, and then we come here. We need to position another window here, so we offset through 600 to the left and to the right. Okay, so we're going to trim our openings. Okay, I want this window directly facing this, so in order to do that you could just select this line and drag it. Get our auto snap is on. Okay, so we want to trim the openings now. So what you do is you type in TR, the trim pops up, and you strike your space bar. Okay, or you could come to your ribbon here, select it. Once you do that, then you right click, you left click to select, and then you right click. You can see that, see that, see that. Trim, trim, trim. Okay, so you trim every other thing you don't need. You don't need this part, you don't need this part, this part not needed. Trim this part. You don't need this. Trim this part. Ctrl Z to undo. Okay, this part is trimming. You select it and then you delete. Okay, you still left with the part to trim. Right click, trim, trim, trim. Okay, so we're done. Oh, we're not done trimming the window. TR spacebar. Once you type in the command TR, spacebar, enter, then you right click. Okay, so we're done. We delete lines we don't need. We delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to extend. We want this wall to extend up to this, but this is a polyline, so I don't think it will do that. You could, in order to extend, you could select your trim, spacebar, enter, then you right click, then you hold down shift. So we want a line that will, we want this wall to extend from here to here, so we could just use a line, draw from here to here, then come in here, select your offset, offset through 230, space bar, then you offset to the direction you want it to go. So it comes like this. We also want another wall from here, so from here bring it here, from here also bring it here, select the offset to 30, spacebar, offset. Now we need to do some trimming over here. Type in TR, spacebar, enter, then you right click, sorry, TR, you select your trim and then you right click. You could switch from trim to extend. In order to do that, still on the trim command, you just hold down shift and select the part you want to extend. You see that? Hold down shift, select the part you want to extend. I want to trim this, I want to trim this, you want to trim this part. Escape to drop the command. You could just stretch this over here like so. You could select this, stretch it. That won't work. This is a polyline, we need to trim it. We select, right click. If you don't worry about that, we could just place it with a line. Escape to drop, spacebar to repeat the command you just finished, and there we go. Now let's carve out a toilet. You could draw a line here, you could offset it by 1500, enter, and then spacebar to repeat offset, 230, spacebar, then offset, then trim. I don't know why it's not trimming. So I could trim. Okay, I see the reason why it's not trimming. This is not extended now, so we could trim here. Trim here. Now we need to create an opening for a toilet door. Just try a line, offset through 750, spacebar, offset, you trim. Once you pick the trim, right click, trim this part. We also need to create an opening for a door. So offset through 900, spacebar, and then select the trim, right click, just trim it out. Okay, we need to create our kitchen. Opening, the opening for the kitchen door. Sorry. So draw a line, offset through around the kitchen door to 750. Spacebar, offset, select, right click, trim. Okay, we don't need this line anymore, so we just delete. Okay, we need an entrance door, so you could come here, draw a line, offset through 900, spacebar, then you trim this part. We need this line. Just stretch it back. Okay, so this is what we have. I will be showing you guys how to create blocks of windows and doors in our next video episode. Stay tuned and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.